Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Queenslake. Today I'm going to be making a little floral arrangement that I saw on Pinterest. It's super quick, nice and easy, and I can't believe I actually had the materials to make this. I love it when you see something on Pinterest and you have everything all ready to do it. So what I'm going to be doing is planting some Birds Nest Ferns. These are looking a little bad because we had some frost lately, and I did have them out in the greenhouse for a while, so they've got to grow up a little bit, but they've got a lot of new fresh growth that is in the center here. And what I'm going to be doing is I have some trophies, some loving cups trophies that we had over in our horse arena, and I'm going to be taking these and actually planting the Bird's Nest Ferns in them. So let me start with the first one. So I don't actually want to plant inside these because I don't want these to tarnish or ruin on the inside. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be keeping these in the 4-inch pots that these are already in. They do have a wicking cotton that will allow them to drink extra water that I have. And what I was going to do to prevent the water overflow was just put a little baggie around it. So what I'm going to do, a little baggie around it. If it does overflow, I can always pull this right out of the pot and take the excess water out. But it can also have a little bit of excess water there to drink if it does get a little dry. Get all the dead parts off, putting that in, and I'm just going to pop that right in the pot. And then what I'm going to do then is I have a bag of green moss that I picked up probably at the dollar store, and I've got this soaking. There is water in here that I've got this soaking and make it really soft, and I'm going to put that around the edges. I've got a couple mats of that. We need to soak even a little bit more. You know what? I'm going to go get something to raise this up just a touch. I'm going to get like a little stone or something just so this sits up a little bit. All right, so I've gotten some stones that I can lift this up just a touch. It just needs to be raised up about 1/2 inch. Actually I got a really nice flat one here. Will that do it? That does it perfectly. So I could just, the level of the pot is level with the trophy there. And then I'm just going to take this guy. I'm going to see if there's a different variety, a different piece in here that's a little bit better soaked. There we go. Perfect. I'm going to take that around the edges. And I'll show the photo also that I was inspired by from Pinterest. Pinterest inspires most of what I do. Okay, just got it right in there. Touch more on this side. Good. So that'll help preserve the moisture in there as well. And I had just watered these. I had just fertilized these Bird's Nest Ferns as well, and these will go fantastic in the house. They are a low light plant, and we don't have a whole lot of. The house is not a super bright house, and I have very few windows that don't have covered porches over them, so a lot of the light can't even get in. You know, tons of windows, but there's no sunlight to be able to get in there. Anyway, so that's the first one. Yeah, that goes pretty nicely. Just gonna take a smidge off this side. There we go. It's a little less jammed. Okay, so we have that one, and then we have this pot, this loving cup. We have this one. And this one actually already sits up that nicely, so I could just get some more of this. Perfect. And then just cover this whole pot down there. Good. All right. Perfect. I've got those I can decorate put in the house, and hopefully they'll grow out. Those little bad parts of the leaves will grow out a little bit. Anyway, need an outdoor table so I can actually do these videos on. I've got these two that are going inside the house. Anyway, so that's just a short little project to do, and I guess that's all for today. I will see you later, and please subscribe. I have a lot more projects on the go here. A few decorating projects inside the house, and mostly gardening outside the house, because finally gardening season finally arrived. Anyway, thank you so much, and please subscribe to Queenslake, and thanks for watching. Bye.